I don't know which bird is this, but very cute. I'm taking its video from my window. Generally, I find her almost alone, not seen her pair. Approximately since last 1 week, going behind the tree now. Not behind it, in the shade of the tree, still towards our side. Temperature is still very high, must be more than 32 34 degrees centigrade or between that. Warm air, okay, she has gone. You can't see from here, there are plenty of pigeons in this society in Dwarka. Life seems to be extremely dull due heat, due no work. Thank you.